Panama is a narrow strip of land connecting North and South America, the perfect place to link the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. But building a canal here was far from easy. The first major attempt came from the French in the 1880s. They tried to dig a sea-level canal, but the mountains, landslides, tropical diseases, and heavy rainfall turned the project into a disaster. After years of struggle, the French effort collapsed. The triumph came when the United States took over in 1904 with a new idea. Instead of digging all the way down, they would lift ships up and over the mountains using water. This engineering plan created the Gatun Dam, Gatun Lake, the Culebra Cut, and a system of massive locks on both sides. These locks act like giant water elevators, raising and lowering ships using gravity alone. Today, a ship entering the canal is lifted up to the level of Gatun Lake, crosses the continent through the lake in the mountain cut, and then is lowered back to sea level on the other side. The Panama Canal works like a series of giant water elevators. A ship enters a lock, the gates close, and water fills the chamber, lifting the ship upward. For downward travel, the ship enters, the gates close, and water drains out, lowering the vessel safely. Each lock chamber is about 1,000 feet long, 110 feet wide, and 40 feet deep. A ship entering from the Atlantic Ocean begins its journey at the Gatun Locks. Here, 3 massive lock chambers lift the ship in 3 steps, raising it to the level of Gatun Lake. At 85 feet above sea level, the ship then travels across Gatun Lake, one of the largest man-made lakes in the world. Next comes the Culebra Cut, a narrow channel carved through the Continental Divide, the most challenging section ever dug. From there, the ship reaches the Pedro Miguel Lock, where it is lowered 1 step into the small artificial Miraflores Lake. The final descent happens at the Miraflores Locks, where 2 more steps bring the ship back down to sea level. After this sequence of lifts, crossings, and descents, the ship exits into the Pacific Ocean, completing one of the most remarkable engineering journeys on Earth. A journey that once took months around South America now takes just a few hours through one of the greatest engineering achievements in history.